After 84 lakhs, 8.4 million births, we have been wriggling as a worm. We have been growing as a tree. We have already snorted as a pig. We have moved like a cow. We have done everything. Finally, Bhagavan has given this wonderful opportunity, Manushade, Durlabam Manusham Janma, Tadapi Adruvam, transient. The example given by our Swamiji, whenever he sees this word Adruvam, means it is not permanent. It is here, now, there. Tomorrow we don't know. And he has written English song, na, we don't know about tomorrow. I mean, all the children sing. And today we have in our hands, we don't know about tomorrow. Tomorrow we don't know. Na? So what do we do? So remember the preciousness, and we don't have time to waste. And hence he says, Tadapi Adruvam. And now you are all children. Don't think only after I grow up, I stand on my own legs, I find a livelihood, and then I will raise a family. After everything is done, then I shall actually do Bhagavata Dharma. Is not the way we have to look at it. And so he is saying, Tadapi Adruvam. Adruvam means transient, but Arthadam. It is transient, but it only the human birth we can follow the purpose, the Purushartha, and attain it. Arthadam. There is meaning. There is also only in the human birth we can attain what we set our minds on, which means in the human birth only we can liberate ourselves. And so he's saying, Durlabam Manusham Janma Tadapi Adruvam Arthadam. Arthadam na enna artham na? Don't waste this human birth. This human birth is not wasted if you do all these things, says our Swamiji.
வீணல்லவே 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 இந்த பிறவி வீணல்லவே 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 இந்த பிறவி குருவருள் பெற்று உய்ந்திட்ட இந்த பிறவி குருவருள் பெற்று உய்ந்திட்ட இந்த பிறவி வீணல்லவே 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 இந்த பிறவி வீணல்லவே 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 இந்த பிறவி பாடியாடி கீர்த்தனம் செய்திடும் இந்த பிறவி பாடியாடி கீர்த்தனம் செய்திடும் இந்த பிறவி வீணல்லவே 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 இந்த பிறவி வீணல்லவே 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 இந்த பிறவி
Guru Arul Petru உய்ந்திட்ட இந்த பிறவி. Now that we have made our birth fruitful because of the grace of the Guru, this birth is not a waste. Veenalave, Arthadam. I am making prayojanam of it. So our Prahalada Swami is saying, Durlabam Manusham Janma Tadapi Adruvam Arthadam. What does Arthadam mean? Swamiji says, all these things if we do, then it is Arthadam. It means we are going in our path towards attaining our goal of life. When before we see a guru, before we get into a satsang, then we realize, oh my God, I have done a lot of things, but did I do anything for my own welfare spiritually? Did I do something to raise myself, divine life, have I raised myself? And then we understand the moment a guru came into our life, the moment satsang came into our life, only then our real life starts. Na Arthadam Manusham Janma Arthadam. Only that generally in corporates also we separate value added versus non-value added. Being in the office does not matter. What did you do there? How much value added for the role you have been given and for the role for which you have been paid here is what people ask. Na? You can't say I came here, I drank some water, I warmed my seat, I started at the screen. What value did you add? That's what we count as work. And so here, Turlabam Manusham Janma Arthadam. So the real meaning in life is well understood. The real path of progress towards our true purpose of life is well established. Only after we get Guru Kripana. That's why our Swamiji starts with Guru Varul Petru Indita Inda Piravi. First, when it is not a waste, na, when we attain a Guru, from that time onwards, not a waste. When the first line starts with, the day when I was born, this life is not a waste. He didn't talk about our physical birth. Our real divine birth happens in the first Pratama Darshana of our Guru Maharaj. So he starts with, once you get the Guru Arul, be nallave. And then he says, Padi Adi Kirtanam Seididum Viravi. When we dance and sing and do Kirtan, which is Dharman Bhagavataniha Ardhadam, which means singing the divine names and dancing to the divine names, not feeling lajja. Vishnu Organancha Nrityancha Natanancha Visheshataha Brahmanye Brahmana Jatinam Kartavyam Nitya Karmavat. He's saying it is Nitya Karma, it is actually prescribed. We need to do Nama Sankirtana. If we forget the divine name every day, we are actually failing in our divine duty. This is Shastra. So he is saying, Dharman Bhagavatanika Arthadam means first Guru is the, the keystone for this wonderful structure of Bhagavata Dharmana Guru. He holds everything in place. And then, what does a Guru inspire us to do? Padi Adi Kirtanam Seididum Inda Piravi Vinalave. And when we do Kirtanam, when we do Nrityam and Natanam, it is not a waste. And that's why we got this Janma.
Yugala sevai seididum inda piravi. Yugala sevai seididum inda piravi. Veenallave, veenallave, veenallave inda piravi. Veenallave, veenallave, veenallave inda piravi. அடியார்க்கு தொண்டு செய்து வாழ்ந்திடும் இந்த பிறவி. அடியார்க்கு தொண்டு செய்து வாழ்ந்திடும் இந்த பிறவி. வீணல்லவே, வீணல்லவே, வீணல்லவே இந்த பிறவி. வீணல்லவே, வீணல்லவே, வீணல்லவே இந்த பிறவி.
Who are all devotees of Hari Bhakta, Krishna Bhakta, for us the greatest fortune is Yugala Seva, and Yugala Seva has tremendous opportunities to relish. Ella bhavangali which we can relish. So when we are the recipient of Guru Kripa, when we are doing Kirtanam, when we are doing Nardhanam, and we are also doing Yugala Seva, this life is not wasted for us. Thankfully, divine grace are protecting us. And when we are doing Guru Seva, when we are doing Sadhu Seva, that itself shows that I am not wasting my Janma here. I am doing what I am supposed to.
Bhagavatam solli ketidum inda piravi. Bhagavatam solli ketidum inda piravi. Veenallave, veenallave, veenallave inda piravi. Veenallave, veenallave, veenallave inda piravi. Sadhu Sangatil Magindidum inda piravi. Sadhu Sangatil Magindidum inda piravi. Veenallave, veenallave, veenallave inda piravi. Veenallave, veenallave, veenallave inda piravi.
Telling Bhagavatam, doing Bhagavata Parayana, doing Bhagavata Pravachana, and even more important, doing Bhagavata Shravana. If you have done that, then our life is not a waste. We are making the full use of life. We are actually justifying the opportunity our Bhagavan gave us. Within the 8.4 million life forms, he chose us to be a human form so that we do all this dharman bhagavatani hai. So Bhagavata Parayanam, Bhagavata Grananam, and Bhagavata Shravanam. Ramakrishna Paramsa uses a very dangerous example, but it's okay, you will understand. There is something called apin. I don't want to even tell what the English name for it is. And you try to work around that word, you will understand what I'm saying. You feed that apin to a peacock, and you practice giving apin to that peacock daily. Correcta when you have to feed it at 6 o'clock, na peacock odi vandu nikuma. And it will wait for that apin to be fed. And Ramakrishna Paramahamsa says, like that, if you are blessed by Bhagavan, during the satsang time, we all have the longing. Today we are going to do some kirtan. Today we are going to do some parayan. Today we are going to do some kathashravanam. Manasutana keeps coming towards satsang. We are blessed. So he is saying, sadhu sangatil magildidum. That joy we get in sadhu sangha, that joy we get in satsanga, clearly shows that our janma or our birth is not in vain. You see, and it is in accordance to what Bhagavan wants us to do. And of course, blessed by Bhagavan, for Bhagavan, by Bhagavan.
புண்ணிய நதிகளில் நீராடிடும் இந்த பிறவி, புண்ணிய நதிகளில் நீராடிடும் இந்த பிறவி வீணல்லவே, வீணல்லவே, வீணல்லவே இந்த பிறவி, வீணல்லவே, வீணல்லவே, வீணல்லவே இந்த பிறவி. திவ்ய தேச யாத்திரை செய்திடும் இந்த பிறவி, திவ்ய தேச யாத்திரை செய்திடும் இந்த பிறவி வீணல்லவே, வீணல்லவே, வீணல்லவே இந்த பிறவி, வீணல்லவே, வீணல்லவே, வீணல்லவே இந்த பிறவி.
Generally, we start with Punya Nadi Snanam and Kshetradanam as the first step. Here, after we do all this, as a satsang, when we go to Dwaraka, as a satsang, we go to Pandharpur, as a satsang, we go to Brindavanam, as a satsang, we go to Puri, as a satsang, we go to Srirangam or Navatirupati or Udupi or Tirupati, Tirumala or Bhadrachalam or Simhachalam. It's a different experience now. If you go separately as a package tour, you know what they do generally? They will take you to Mathura, show you a couple of temples, buy you some little lassi and some tikki, and then the guide will say, Brindavan is about 10 kilometers from here. Everybody turn towards Brindavan, Bolo, Brindavana Vihari Lal ki Jai. Now we have to go to the next stop, Agra. So, but if you go with a satsang, would you want to go anywhere else but our Vrajabhumi? We will stay there and we enjoy our Katha Shravanam there, Leela Sthalam there. And now this Yamuna Snan there would be a different thing with Yamunashtak, singing Yamunashtak. Namami Yamuna Magham Sakala Siddhi He Tumuda. Chanting Yamunashtakam, we go and then take bath in Yamunaji. Look at Yamunaji with folded hands and say, Krishna has bestowed so much of Leela in your banks. And then roll in the banks. The way in which we do Kshetradanam changes. It becomes Anubhava. It is not a sadhana now. It is an Anubhavam, experience now. So this is the Bhagavata Dharma for us. Shravanam, Kirtanam, Smaranam. And going to all the places where our Bhagavan has beautifully manifested himself in form of temple or Leela Sthal or Tirtham. And then relish the presence of Bhagavan there. And come back with the memories of this lovely yatra and relish that memory forever till we go again. And this is how Arthadam. What we generally do at 5 only will come at 50 also. Suddenly, nobody can fundamentally change. If we have practiced Bhagavad Dharma right in our childhood, automatically, effortlessly, even while we are a youngster, a teenager, or an early youngster, or an youngster, or a person who fancies himself to be an youngster, as we keep going in this journey of life, we will be in touch with Bhagavad Dharma, grow in it. And during retirement, when you have 24 hours, instead of saying, Boredikirudhu and waste our time seeing something, We actually think 24 hours is not enough. Bhagavata Parayana takes 7 hours. Then I do Shravana of the CDs or cassettes or whatever is available of my Swami. I do at least a lot of 10 malas of Japa, 1 mala of Japa. I do Likita Japa. I do Prabodhanam. I do Dolotsavam. I do Archana daily. 24 hours is not enough for me is what Satsang retired people will tell. They retire from livelihood, but they actually full-time in Satsang. You see? So here he is saying, if you miss this chance now, don't think your father would have said, Chinna Bendana, enjoy. Don't do all that. Right now, you enjoy Bhagavata Dharma. Practice it. Right from childhood, practice. Nobody is too young. Even if the baby is 1 day old, you can make the baby listen to the divine name softly. Na? Even if the baby is 3 months old, you can touch the hands and show this is how you do bhajan. Na? If the baby is 6 months old, even with it talks or not, you say, na, chalo bete bolo Ram, Ram, Sallamunna. And the baby can, we hear it as Ram, Ram, you see. And that is how the baby grows up. And so he says, don't waste your time. This is very precious. Right from now, start practicing. Janam tera बातों की बीत गयो रे तूने कब हुना कृष्ण का क्यों तूने कब हुना राम का क्यों जन्म तेरा बातों में बीत गयो. And don't think as you grow up you suddenly have this wisdom not to waste our time in unnecessary things, frittering away our time, energy and attention. बातों में बीत गया 5 बरस का बोला रे बाला अब तो 20 भयो. People grow up very fast na, and you say he's only 5 years old, suddenly 20 years, ach, you see. And now what happens? Makar pachisi maya karan desh videsh gayo. 21 years 4 சொல்லிருக்காரு பாருங்க. 21 years H1 visa வந்துரும். And if you have practiced Bhagavata Dharmana, the whole Mother Earth is a divine land for us. And we can make a Bharat out of any place where we go and settle. But if we don't have that, then it's a waste. If you don't have it. So he is saying, Desh Videsh Gayo 30 baras ki apmati upaji lobh bade nit nayo. New aspirations, ambitions. I want this, I want that. Busy all the time. Even after 30 years, middle age. Maya jori lakh karori haju huna tripta bhayo. Maya pradita, it will never make us, Maya will never make us feel contented. Yes, I think I have enough. It will never allow. Even after retirement, it will be part-time work or advisory work or consulting work. Work. That's it. And so he's saying, Ye sansar matlab ka lobhi jhoota tat rachyo. This whole world is like that only. It is now projecting something very false. Don't get caught. And then Kabir Das said, why am I wasting my time telling all this to them? कहत कबीर समझ मन मूरख तू क्यों भूल गयो. Instead of doing Ram Smaran, why are you sitting down telling advice about 5 years do this, 10 years do this? Let me do my Ram Smaran, he said. Even giving this advice to people by telling them 5 years you have different set of problems, 10 years you have different set of problems, 20 you will have, there won't be a time which will make you tell you that now I have no more excuse, let me do Bhagavata Dharma. It will never be a time. Our Prahalada Swami exactly explains this. Vedam Nuru, Pirayam Nuru only. That Veda Mata says 100 years, 50 years gone in sleep, 10 years gone in games, 10 years gone in educating ourselves in Dharma, Artha, Kama, another 20 years gone in making lot of money, another 20 years gone in taking care of the family, another 20 years gone in taking care of the grand family. When do we have time for ourselves? So our Prahalada Swami said, better start now itself, because this human birth is very rare. And if you don't start now, probably very difficult for us to start at any time. And so he's saying, Durlabam Manusham Janma.